What is up, boss? In this video, we'll show you how to have your client go back to the page they came from when booking via PayPal. So if you see here, we have this certified boss booking page coaching session test. And what you want to do is you want to take that link, the coaching session test, and we're going to paste it into the redirect URL. And you want to use the auto redirect button. Make sure that's clicked. And we're going to click Save Changes. Then we'll go back to that page. And you can see we're on the coaching session test. So we're just going to book a test appointment. Name, test at booklikeaboss.com. Okay, you see we're set up for PayPal. Click Book Me. Now it's going to take us to PayPal. Just going to pay some cash back. Click OK. Complete purchase. Okay, the purchase has been made. Now we're going to return to merchant. And you'll see it takes us to that coaching session test page. And that's how it works.